All right, we'll start with tray of teacups, so palms up, fingers pointing towards your head, move to the right, spiral around to the left, keeping your palms facing up the whole time as you make this figure 8 shape. And as your hands pass in front of your hips, you're sliding the hips back a bit, coming back up, taking long, slow, deep breaths as you move. Keeping your knees facing forward. And we're just mobilizing our body a bit before moving into our practice. One more turn and then we'll switch directions. And we'll finish this with a little stretch called spreading the feathers. So pressing your palms out to either side, keeping your elbows soft. Lean your head to one side and begin to nod back and forth. Inhaling as you go back, exhaling as you come forward. Just getting a nice stretch down that chain from the head to the hand. Now switch sides. Keep nodding over that other shoulder. And when you're ready, you can release. Now getting into a wide stance. Make tiger claws with your hands. Turn the palms towards your body. Scrape up. And then release with a sigh as you come down. So inhaling on the way up. This movement is helping us release energy that's no longer serving us. We're pulling it up and then releasing it down to the earth. So inhale on the way up. Exhaling with that tiger's breath on the way down. Now we'll hold this as a stretch, so pressing your elbows into the inside of your thighs, just looking for a nice stretch for our inner hamstring. All right, now come back up and we'll move into a very basic qigong practice called shaking. So you're keeping your feet on the ground, bouncing the heels up, letting your arms, your legs just relax, your neck, shoulders, everything. And as you're shaking, just trying to release any tension you're feeling. So taking deep breaths in and exhaling with a sigh. Shaking is the quickest way to start releasing tension and also just to shake out any energy that we no longer need. We're making room for something new, something better in the future. Now holding a chi ball in front of your belly, just below the navel. You're going to open your arms to either side, pointing the fingers down towards the floor as we turn our head to one side and then the other. So bringing it back into the chi ball, switching sides, turning the head, back to the chi ball. Inhale as we open. Exhale as we come back to center. Really looking for that stretch by pointing your fingers down to about a 45-degree angle towards the floor. Exhaling, coming in. Inhale and raise your chest as you open up. Exhale, come back to center. Open up again and hold it on one side. Keep breathing. Bring it back to center. Now go to the other side and we'll hold it there for a moment. Back to center and relax. Now we'll build some chi up in our system by holding a standing posture, meditative posture called Wuji. So with the weight on the front of your foot, knees soft, tailbone dropped, relax the lower back, align your chest over your pelvis, tuck your chin, lift your crown, put the tongue on the roof of the mouth, and hold your hands just a little bit in front of you. You can see in this side view a little bit better how to align the posture. And we're going to hold this for a moment. You can build up to holding this 10, 15 minutes at a time. And you really will notice your practice taking you deeper as you work with this posture. It's a very fundamental part of qigong. And I've personally noticed my practice deepening by spending more time in Wuji. Wuji means ultimate nothingness, so can help us cultivate the skill of navigating uncertainty. All right, let's move into Buddha holds the earth, so forming a hoop below you, lift your palms up, and just as you pass your chest, your lungs, flip the hands outward and upward, following your hands with your gaze, bringing it back down, and inhaling as you lift up, spiral, press, exhale as you bring it back down, spiraling back down, deep inhale and press. Exhale as you come back down again. This practice is working with the metal element, which is connected to our lungs and our large intestine. And when metal is balanced, we are able to refine our thoughts, bring clarity, get organized. And this is really why qigong helps me with my goals, because it's allowing me to get clear about what's important and what I need to let go of. Now that our chi is flowing, let's end with pulling down the sky, directing all of that chi where we want it to go. So in between each round, we'll stand in Wuji for a second, just a breath. Lift up, palms up above the head, and then press down in front of you slowly as you exhale. Hold Wuji for one breath. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you press that chi down towards our lower dantian. Just take note of how your body's feeling. This can be a great time to meditate if that's something that you practice as well. So you can close that out with a little bit of time reflecting, concentrating, preparing yourself for the rest of your day. Thanks for practicing with me today. And if you enjoyed this practice, be sure and subscribe and check out my channel for other videos, all designed to help you cultivate inner peace, tranquility, and confidence, even in uncertainty.